Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your aftermarket radio supports Apple CarPlay and matches your vehicle's harness standard. This saves time later. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and locate the radio bay. Make the basic power connections next. Constant 12V, switched ignition, ground, and AC, following the harness labels. If using a wiring adapter, plug it in before mounting. Make sure antenna and speaker wires are accessible. You'll need them in the next step when routing connections. With power confirmed and the radio bay prepared, slide the head unit into place and secure it with the OEM brackets and screws so wiring won't pinch. Connect antenna, speakers, steering wheel control adapter, and any CAN bus interface to retain vehicle functions. Reconnect the battery briefly to power up the unit, then follow the on-screen setup to enable Apple CarPlay. Pair your iPhone via USB or wireless pairing. Once paired, test audio, microphone, and controls. If firmware updates are offered, install them. Finish by tucking wires neatly, reinstalling trim, and verifying the unit sits flush so no panels interfere with controls or airbags. Run a final check. Open Maps, play audio, use Siri, and make a call to confirm microphone and Bluetooth behavior. If something fails, don't panic. Most issues trace to power, fuses, poor ground, or damaged USB data wires. Start by checking vehicle and inline fuses, then verify ground continuity and swap the USB cable. These quick checks solve the majority of CarPlay installation problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.